Yeah, Steve, the family of Devin Butts says they're suing because they say their son should be alive today. They say they want to make sure this doesn't happen to another student athlete here at North Carolina Central University. Tonight, for the first time since a lawsuit was filed on behalf of 22-year-old Devin Butts, Eyewitness News is hearing from his father, Derek.
The thoughts are always running rampant. Just little smells remind you of him. I mean, I know that sounds corny, but it's true.
Derek Butts started a nonprofit AAU basketball program in Georgia, telling me his son grew up playing.
He started running around the house at age 3 with a basketball.
He had dreams of one day going to the NBA.
He enjoyed the game so much that it could have been in NBA, it could have been overseas. He didn't care. He just wanted to play.
Eyewitness News is taking a closer look at the 19-page lawsuit filed by the family. In the lawsuit, attorneys for the family state that the evening of April 30th, 2023, Devin Butts was reportedly with 3 of his teammates after hours inside McDougal-McLendon Arena when he went into cardiac arrest after midnight. The lawsuit says there were no AEDs located on or near the basketball court, stating the only AED on the property was locked inside the athletic training room in a different part of the building. The lawsuit says the 22-year-old was without oxygen for 18 minutes before Durham County EMS arrived on scene. And while they were able to restore his heartbeat, he suffered severe brain damage, dying days later at Duke University Hospital.
We're seeking transparency and accountability.
Jason Burton is the family's attorney.
We believe that the university as a whole was at fault and that there were failures at multiple levels of the administration that ultimately allowed this to happen.
The lawsuit lists the former acting chancellor, the current athletic director, the head coach of the men's varsity basketball team, and the facilities and operations manager, and the chief of campus police. Attorneys stating that they believe all of them were individually and collectively responsible for oversight and management of NCCU's athletic program, including access to campus athletic facilities and the safety and welfare of NCCU student athletes. The family's attorney says the family is seeking $1 million in damages, citing negligence and wrongful death. In the lawsuit, the family claims that Devin was denied essential, life-saving medical treatment that more likely than not would have restored his heartbeat to normal rhythm following the cardiac arrest. I asked his father what changes he would like to see from the university following his son's untimely death.
I like to see all basketball players or any sport. I like to see the kids with the not having to learn CPR. Basic first aid.
And NCCU released this statement to Eyewitness News saying, quote, North Carolina Central University officials are aware of the lawsuit, which stems from an incident that occurred in 2023. As a matter of policy, the university does not comment on pending legal proceedings. Of course, Devin Butts' father told me that if his son were alive today, he'd be either playing pro ball overseas or in the country. We're live in Durham. Akilah Davis, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.